you could see me there. The one who says that she'd rather walk, the one who said she'd rather be alone. If you could only see me there, if I could hold you now, just for a moment, I could really make you mine. Just for a while, turn back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now, I'd be too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. If you could hear me now,